So let's talk about the Colorize neural filter. First, I'm going to hit Command or Control J to duplicate my layer. I'm going to hit Command Shift U to desaturate it. And then I'm going to go over to Filter Neural Filters. A lot of us have family that has black and white photographs that are old that they ask you to colorize. Look how easy this is. Just come down to the beta area, choose Colorize, and it's not going to be 100%, but it does a pretty decent job. I can adjust the scene color, the focus color, click OK. For a super quick pass, that's not bad at all. You can always add your layer mask, come back in and say like, well, no, that hair was more white, not blonde. And you just make the hair back white. Paint in the eye color if you knew the eye color. But you see how quickly it did that? If you like this video, make sure you whack it, smack it, and crack-a-lack it. Yes! Hey, what are you still doing here? It's over. Actually, all kidding aside, I hope this video helped. And if it did, consider subscribing. I like subscribers.
That's awesome. What? You just took one in the jugular, man. Whoa. Yes! Oh my God, I did. This is...
Hey, you stayed to the end. You know what that means? You're awesome. I'm talking about you. Now get out of here.